Are you okay in there? I haven't seen you all night. Mushy meow. You sure make a mess with those scratch pads. You sure do. Get to be at my craft desk again for work. And I'm putting together some angels for Aaron because he's getting more of his silverware Christmas ornaments made today. So I'm just getting my beads, my little things that I need in order to I create the angels with all the different beads and supplies. And then we turn them into Christmas ornaments with his silverware that he bends and stuff. And then we usually add them to our live sales on our other channel. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right, here it is. So he makes these out of silverware, and then I put the little angels together for him. And I put it all together, you know, like all the pieces, bow and everything. So that's kind of how it would look on a tree. And they're beautiful. And he makes them and sells them. sped that up for you, but here's the completed look. I gotta put my nose ring back in, but I did the eyes. Last time I didn't really show a lot of the eyebrows or anything. I thought it was too long, so I cut it out. And the lips I have on are actually by LA Color. It's this, and I when this is gone, I'm gonna be so sad because I don't think they have it anymore. It's called Luster, and the number on it is CLS 585. It's so pretty. But anyways, let's get on about our day. Taking me on a date.
That's right.
We're gonna go get a little bit of lunch because we don't have crap to eat at home.
No, I'm starving.
We gotta go to the grocery store. But we're gonna go get our little restaurant, but well, not little. Y'all heard of Beef O'Grady's, right?
I think.
They do like lunch specials at a certain time of day. That's like $10, and then they have, I think the next one up's like $13 or something. So we'll go there because, well, I'll tell you why. Fast food is terrible.
I can't see my river mirror.
Oh, sorry. Fast food is terrible. And then we took and got Gabriel some chicken nuggets the other day, like a meal. It was $11 for a fast food meal for chicken nuggets. $11. So we can go sit down and have them cook you something nice, you know.
And we'll be in and out in no time. It's fast.
Mm-hmm. For cheap. For cheap. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so you are going to hang out with me while I clean this area off because Aaron's almost ready for me to be able to bring the other one in. So I have to get everything cleaned off and put in a bin and stuff. And then probably in tomorrow's video, you guys will see what it looks like in here, and then we'll put it back together, okay? But first, I wanted to show you this other thing that Aaron did for me. When we got this, it was at an antique store, and I think it was like Pepsi blue. They painted it. And Aaron just quick painted it white for me and put these knobs. I think we got them on Amazon. But it has a lot of my jewelry in these and like little things that I saved from the kids. This was in my bracelet. No, it was in my ring, this one, that Gabriel got for me for Christmas. It made me cry. I started crying. But it just has great space as a big old jewelry box. So, and you guys know I love jewelry. And then this one's a little different. So they put felt in these drawers. That was there when we got it, and then these still had the little slats in them, so like stuff falls down in there. That's why I don't really put anything in there. But it's a really cool piece. I think it's gonna have to probably either be scooted down or moved somewhere else, because that vanity piece is gonna take up a lot of that, and that mirror is gonna have to come down. That's the mirror that I use to do my makeup, but this new one has one attached. So I'll just have to move some of that stuff around. But anyways, let's get cleaning. guy busy working over here. He was working and eating. Eating and working.
Yep.
What are you working on?
Well, while I was eating, I was doing something with flags.
Wow. That's cool. And you were also doing stuff about Egyptians, right?
Yeah.
And that's what you get to talk to Dad about? He's like a history book.
Yep.
What's your favorite thing that you've learned from that information? Like that you thought was interesting or cruel or unusual?
Oh, the downfall of the Egyptian Empire.
Yeah, of like pharaohs and...
Yeah, the reason why they started getting like invaded.
What was the reason?
They had, their leaders just weren't that good nearing the end of their existence.
Who was the last pharaoh?
Tut, but he died.
I don't think it was Tut.
Wait.
I think it was Cleopatra.
Are you sure it was Cleopatra?
Okay, let's go ask the history book.
Hold on, the last
Okay, he's gonna Google
pharaoh. Cleopatra.
Dang, Mom was right. Ding, 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 ding.
But
I live with your dad. Come on. He's watching TikTok. But what were you gonna say?
yeah, they just didn't have strong leaders like Hatshepsut or
She was great.
Tutmos.
That's who Dad says I am.
Probably.
Hatshepsut. Yep. What are you doing, lady? Look at you, looking all. You look like you look suspicious. What were you doing?
I was watching a video on...
When you're supposed to be doing homework?
No.
See?
I
Homework?
be doing anything, bruh. And
Bruh?
everything. Oh,
So
God.
you're doing a... you sound like that TikTok that Dad watches.
Oh, God, bruh.
You've been doing too much.
You're doing too much. Oh!
Don't be rude. Don't be mean. Look, Gumpy likes her. Oh, my goodness. You look pretty today.
Thank you.
Even though your friend said you look like a 2-later. She's so rude.
Stop. That's not funny.
She's
It's
rude.
not real.
Don't listen to them. They're just jealous.
Maybe.
Definitely.
I'm doing it. Don't like him.
Don't let him step on your computer though, because then he'll mess it up.
Oh my God. I'm doing a paper, a collaborative paper on the mistreating of women in the industry.
Like Hollywood?
Like
Not
Hollywood.
like nightlife industry. Not like on the streets.
Well, and Nicole Smith is in there. Yeah, like modeling and stuff like that, but not like really big cases like Britney Spears, Nicole Smith, Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah.
Not like little.
There's all kinds of useful information you could use about Britney now that she has that book and stuff
I
out.
want that book so bad. The Woman Inside Me.
Yeah, I know. You want that one. Gumpy!
You can't be in here. You're not a girl.
No girls allowed. I mean, no boys allowed. Okay, finish your homework, lady.
Mm-hmm.
Found a sleepy kitty. He's laying on his blanket. You guys, I don't know if you guys have animals with carpet, but his white fur on this black carpet does not mix. So I had to put him down a blanket. And then, of course, he would lay like beside the blanket because that's cat logic, right? Oh my goodness, Butters, am I talking about you? Like, leave me alone. Oh my goodness. Squeakies isn't feeling good. We might have to call the vet. He's kind of being like how Butters was being. So I'll let you guys know about that. All right, you guys, before I go for the day, I want to thank all of you for coming over and subscribing and watching the House on Noble Vlogmas series. We're going to be going until Christmas Eve, so you guys got to check back every day. Make sure that you hit that bell and all that kind of stuff. So you'll want to check back tomorrow because I'm going to be putting all my stuff back in the new vanity and you'll be able to see what it looks like. I'm really excited. It's almost done. It's almost time. So make sure you leave your comments down below and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.